Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Neuro, and I wanted to talk to you about a very important aspect of my content and my brand. I am not the kind of person who is going to tell you to buy Red Bull or some gamer juice or some weird supplement. I want to promote something that I really believe can help you take your fitness to a better level. And some of you may have heard of this before, and I know it's kind of weird for a streamer to promote this. These are oats. And you might be like, they're just normal oats? These are normal oats, and I put them in a glass jar so you can see them better. These oats I have for breakfast basically every day. And the way that I mix it up is I put different fruit in the oatmeal, and I'll have protein powder to add some extra, to it. These are regular oats. It doesn't matter what brand you get. I asked Quaker Oats for a sponsorship, and they said, we don't sponsor internet people like that. And I said, that's fair. So I will simply promote oats myself. From the oat farmers to the grocery store to you. You can have a breakfast that isn't filled with garbage. You don't need to go to a restaurant. You can buy normal oats. They're relatively cheap. They've got a lot of energy to them. And it's a very fibrous, kind of hearty grain. So it takes your body some time to digest. And you don't get hit with an immediate sugar payload. So ladies and gentlemen, I challenge you to take a step back from all those noisy advertisements where they try to get you to stuff that's jam-packed with sugar. Get something real, like oats. Put some frozen blackberries over it. Get some fresh cut strawberries. Cut a half an apple and put it over your oatmeal. You can do this. You can have healthy stuff. You don't need some weird company making some new sciencey sounding project. Oats come from the earth. Cut the garbage. Have some oatmeal. I have spoken. Thank you.